Oh. In this video, we're going to cover how you convert fractions into decimals, and we'll pretend that you don't have a calculator. Now, converting fractions into decimal form is usually really easy because a fraction line just means divided, so all we have to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this first question, where we need to convert 9 over 20, we would just divide 9 by 20, so we get 0.45, and if you're not comfortable doing this division in your head, then you can just use short or long division on paper. For this second division, where we need to convert 3 over 8, we just do 3 divided by 8, which is 0.375, and the way I would work that out in my head is that I already know that 1/8 is 0.125, so I just times that by 3 because we're looking for 3/8, which is basically 3 sets of 1/8. As a last example, let's try and convert 4 over 5 into a decimal. Like before, all we have to do is the division, so 4 divided by 5, which is 0.8, and if you wanted to do that in your head, we can use the fact that 1/5 is equal to 0.2, and then we can multiply that by 4 to get 4/5, which is 0.8. Anyway, that's everything for this video, so hope that made sense, and we'll see you next time.